ID.
Hey.
I deserve to know the process.
Why new chambers?
You should be ashamed of yourselves. You should be ashamed of yourselves. Targeting innocent people.
I deserve to know the process. This is what some of the girls were taken out from the hall, as you seen from the video. She was getting deported. Crazy. Disrespectful. It's not easy nowadays in USA. Welcome guys, my name is Lick. In today's video, we are going to talk about massive deportation in USA. Let's get into it. Really? During surgery?
We have breaking news regarding ICE's mandatory detention policy, and that is that the ACLU has officially filed a lawsuit challenging this new ICE policy, essentially requiring anybody who entered the United States without inspection to be held indefinitely throughout the pendency of their removal proceedings without eligibility to seek bond from an immigration judge. And as I've spoken about in other videos, this is based on ICE's interpretation of someone who is applying for admission and basically saying that, hey, if you entered without inspection, even if you've been here for over 20 years, we are going to interpret that as you still applying for admission to the United States, and as if you had, been caught at the border, which is certainly just not the case. And so this has broadly expanded a category of people that, were previously subject to mandatory detention and did not have to be given a bond hearing. Essentially, 95% of people detained and placed in removal now are not eligible for bond under this new ICE policy. And the ACLU has filed a lawsuit challenging this policy, saying, hey, this is not what immigration law says. It's not what our jurisprudence says. This is you trying to override the existing laws. So we will see how a federal court decides, but this is great news in fighting back against this new, very harmful and kind of arbitrary ICE policy. So I will keep you posted on any updates. Hopefully this reverses course of these mandatory detentions.
Have you seen that? Crazy. A man was about to start surgery. He was doing surgery. ICE, they don't care, even though you die, because taking someone from hospital during surgery, just hide. What if you keep him? What's happened when he dies during those your deportation process? You don't know even. You didn't even get the medical record so that if it's okay to fly back home, you just want to take everyone out of your country. People were commenting in that video, asking how ICE know that this guy is under surgery and he doesn't have a document. They knew, because now government is offering $500 for those people who snitch. Tell the people that there is a guy behind my house. There is a guy, my neighbor doesn't have document. When you snitch, you get money.
Injecting me? No, it's leaving me in the process. Give me my belongings. I deserve to know the process.
Why new Chambers.
I just asked what the stop is. Let go of me. Let go of me. I'm stopping. Let go of me. Let go of me. Stop it. Stop.
I work with the U.S. military back in my home country. I have all the documents. I was interpreter. I work with the U.S. military.
An Afghan national, whose lawyer asked NBC7 not to use his name, calmly tells ICE agents he aided the U.S. military in Afghanistan as he's detained after showing up for his hearing.
And he believes that if he returns, he'll be detained, probably tortured, and possibly even killed.
His attorney, Brian McGoldrick, tells NBC7 his client has ample documentation verifying he worked with the military, providing vehicles and serving as a translator, but that he wasn't able to make it out during the U.S. withdrawal. McGoldrick says the man feared for his life under Taliban rule.
Well, while he was in Afghanistan, he was threatened repeatedly. His family was threatened repeatedly.
So he came to the U.S. southern border, where he used the Biden administration's CBP-1 app to ask for asylum at the San Ysidro port of entry less than 2 years ago. His attorney says he was granted parole and working to secure a special immigrant visa.
They want to deny him even the opportunity to have his asylum case heard.
We asked ICE officials about this incident, but didn't receive any answers in time for this report.
Could you back up, please?
I didn't know that it's going to happen like this for me.
Working for this country mean nothing. Can you imagine? Someone betrayed his country for USA. You know what America is doing in that place? Afghanistan, killing people, pretending to bring peace in that region. The guy betrayed his country. They say, no, we don't care. We are going to remove from our country to our country. Can you imagine? They know that when he go back there, those people, Taliban, they're going to kill him. They know that. And America doesn't care. We used you. We're done with you. We don't need any information from you. We don't need the interpreter. It's time for you to go back, die in your country. Guys, be careful when you're going to betray your country for USA.
Spanish immigration attorney. Alright, you make the same, you have the right to remain silent, you don't have to answer any of their questions. You don't have to answer anybody's questions.
Reaction to ICE detaining you now.
Contact to let them know what's happening.
Hold on, P, man. Sorry. Move back. Out the way, bro. You're gonna get knocked down. Move.
This is disgusting. This is disgusting. You should be ashamed of yourselves. You should be ashamed of yourselves. Targeting innocent people. Covering your faces. This is disgusting. You should be ashamed of yourselves. You should be ashamed. These are hardworking people. You're separating families. You should be ashamed. This is disgusting.
You should be ashamed for yourself. This is what the woman was talking about, was telling those people, those soldiers. They will cross the line of people where they're going to grocery. You have to report yourself. If they find out, even you forget your document, They send you back. They don't care even if you spend 20 years in that country. They don't care. Can you imagine? People have to stand for yourself, helping each other. Raise your voice so that you can survive. Some of you guys, you left your country looking for asylum in USA. You believe that USA is going to give you a peace, but no. The problem is that when they send you back to where you're coming from, it's going to be even worse because your original country knows that you were refugee in that country. Crazy. It's not easy nowadays. Okay guys, thank you for watching today's video. It was really amazing. I hope you like it. Share, comment, send to your friends so that you can have a big family. See you on another one. I love you guys.